This is how we normally shopping. Lots of plastic bags, right? But what happens to those plastic bags? They're thrown away or often seen flying around the streets. Plastic can be trapped in our environment for ages if not properly managed. Imagine, it can take thousands of years to decompose a single plastic. It can also become toxic to soil, water, and food chain. So, what is the solution to deal with these plastic bags? Introducing our very own eco-friendly bag that is made of banana stem fiber. Yes, you heard it right. We can make an eco bag by the use of banana stem fiber. This eco-friendly bag is made of banana stem fiber that is better than other conventional fiber. It is a good alternative to plastic bags because it's eco-friendly, chemical-free, non-toxic, and odor-free. What makes this eco-friendly bag unique? This eco-friendly bag is durable that allowing to use multiple times. The style is fit in today's generation. Budget-friendly, it has natural materials that can easily have and less hassle to make. Lightweight and biodegradable. So what are you waiting for? Come and try now our eco-friendly bag.